In this experiment, we will set up an aquatic host ecosystem to study its sustainability. The control of the variables that will influence the organisms will play a key factor in determining whether this is a sustainable mesocosm or not. The overall purpose of the creation of a mesocosm is to observe and analyze how every factor present in an ecosystem is important for the life of all organisms present in it.
Mesocosms are artificial ecosystems where environmental conditions are controlled. They are normally a little community that contains water, microorganisms, plankton, and sometimes small fish. These systems may vary in size, however they must be large enough and have enough diversity of organisms to reach self-sustainability. The variables to consider in this experiment are temperature, light intensity, pH, time, and species used. These variables will determine whether the organisms will be able to survive by themselves.
Materials you will need: fish tank, purified water, 5 shrimps, elodia, stones, mangla root, and plastic wrapping paper. Procedure: clean the fish tank. Place first the bigger rocks on the bottom and continue with the little ones. Carefully place the elodia in the rocks to make them stable. Fill the tank with the purified water. Proceed to place the shrimps into the fish tank. And finally, close the ecosystem with plastic wrapping paper.
Some of the limitations are that during the first days some shrimps died due to the inappropriate conditions they were put into before they were placed in mesocosm. Also, the temperature couldn't be controlled because of the sunlight that it was exposed to.
After 2 weeks, 4 shrimps survived and 3 died. The Elorea plant didn't grow and seemed to be damaged, and the water was cloudy and dirty.
Even though the output of this mesocosm was not very successful, we were able to see that every factor in an ecosystem is important to keep a balance and to maintain all the species who live in there alive. As the temperature and sunlight were not appropriate for the living organisms, they weren't able to accomplish its function in it, and so almost every organism died or was struggling to survive.